Harold, does there seem to be a problem here?
What? Hello, Harold.
You're fired. Leave the office or else you're going to be sent to Zootopia for the rest of your life.
The kids at school thought I was rather eccentric. Doesn't matter anymore.
We interrupt your video session to bring up the Mr. Big Error.
Already? Really?
No way.
Number 2. There are some new recruits with us I should introduce, but I'm not going to because I don't care. Finally, we have 14 missing mammal cases, all predators from a giant polar bear to a teensy little otter. And City Hall is right up my tail to find them. This is priority number 1.